Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will see the different command windows in the Hypermesh. The topmost bar, that is called as a title bar. In this title bar we will be able to see the file name and the Hypermesh version. So here it is Hypermesh v11.0, that is v4 version. Below that there is a main menu bar. In main menu bar there are different options, that is file, edit, view, collectors, in this way. Below main menu bar there are three different toolbars. So this one is the topmost toolbar. It consists of import geometry, export geometry, selecting the user profile, selecting the coordinate systems. Then this one, which is a vertical toolbar. Here the options are available for mesh view, load view, or the making the points on the geometry on or off. The leftmost is called as a tab area. In this tab area you can either select the different tabs, that is utility, mask, model. The center area, where once we import the geometry, that is called as a graphics area. So once the geometry is imported, we will be able to see the geometry, or we will be able to do the meshing in this graphics area. The main menu pages, that is the geometry 1D, 2D, those are operated from here. So these are the main menu pages, that is geometry 1D, 2D, 3D, analysis, then tool and post. Inside each main menu pages there are different tools available, which will be visible in this rectangle. So those are called as the main menu. So inside geometry there will be different options. Inside 1D mesh there will be different options in this main menu. Same way inside this 2D there will be the different menu available. Below it is a command window, and the main menu page, in which main menu page we are working right now, that will be visible in this status bar. That is, now see here, the radio button, we can say it as, that is the geometry is on, and we are able to see this in a status window. So these are the different toolbars available, main menu pages available, and the tab areas in the Hypermesh. Okay, thank you.